into my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey, what's up y'all? It's Honky Monster back on my channel, and I'm back on Car Crashers 2 on Roblox, and as you can see, I've got the Egg Destroyer, tag, whatever. Oh, my friend joined me. And I've got, there is actually a new Easter update, the Update 71, and as you can see, they had a new vehicle, and you can see, I've actually got the Mercedes. Don't get me wrong, guys. So you can see I didn't get the Cadillac or this one. This is the Mercedes something, the fastest of all limited cars designed to break land speed records at speeds up to 466 miles per hour, which is the newest, fastest car in the game without rocket boosters or anything. So yeah. By the way, I have like a lot of Platina. I have like 107,650. Wow. And as you can see, the seasonal shop offers a rare opportunity to claim vehicles that went off sale years in the past. 9 of these cars are now back on the sale for a short time. So yeah, as you can see, there's a currency egg, 100 credits, rainbow currency egg, and 720 billion money, and 350 credits. So as you can see, they added this like Easter rim again, and they added the They put it the Hyundai, I forgot the name, I didn't double check the name, but oh well. And here's the Cadillac Myler Meteor, yeah, and there's a Mazda Atenza road car, and here's a Ferrari Testarossa, there's a Bugatti 32, Type 32, and whatever this vehicle is, and this one, the Brabham, and the toilet tea cart, and the Nissan GTR 50. So yeah, which I already have, and I need 2 more cars left. So as you can see, egg hunt. Get prizes and get candy every time you collect an egg from the collection. The grand prize is front-driven family wagon with 1,000 horsepower. Wow. By the way, guys, this is not actually the part 1 of the Easter egg hunt, so the part 2 is going to come out soon. So as you can see, they added a new rim, and there's a new vehicle, which is called a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, which, like, I didn't know the name until now, because, like, you know, sometimes it's very confusing with this vehicle, but oh well. And here's the Egg Destroyer overhead title, and here's the egg car, which is, like, I don't even know what type of, I didn't double check what the name is, but oh well, it's what it is. And here's the new rim, I think, and I think that's new rim, and the I think it's like Fiat something like that, but oh well. So as you can see, egg collection. So these are the ones that I've completed it, and some of them that I didn't complete it. So here we go. So
Shark egg, uncommon. Mine egg, uncommon. Fire egg, rare. Rainbow egg, playtime reward. Frenzy egg, week 2. Rocket booster egg, rare. Chopper egg, very rare. Race egg, week 2. Secret egg, very rare. Fabric egg, week 2. Easter egg, basic. Crushed car egg, basic. Drone egg, common. Driving egg, uncommon. Sturdy egg, rare. Hyper egg, SSD. Bloodhound, SSD egg. Challenge, gold egg, derby. Energy core egg, survival. Seashell egg, legendary, which these are the ones that I completed. Appears in the safe room after an energy core meltdown. So yeah, and appears on the winner stake in derby arena, which I already did. And there's some small eggs. Find 50 hidden small eggs. Search around buildings and houses. 9 side claimable houses. Oh well. Crash target challenges. Destroy the island circuit target with a vehicle price between 20,000 to 50,000 money. Destroy the Ridgerock shore target with a vehicle price between 50,000 to 150,000 total money. Destroy the forest descent target with a vehicle price between 150,000 to 500,000 money. Destroy the volcano cliffside target with a vehicle price between 500,000 to 1.5 million money. Destroy the ravine target with a vehicle price between 1.5 million to 5 million money. Destroy the Ohio Speedway target with a vehicle price between 5 million to 20 million money. Destroy the beachside target with a vehicle price between 20 million to 100 million money. Destroy the Ridgerock highway target with a vehicle price between 20 million to 1 million money. Destroy the volcano exit target with a vehicle price between 1 million to 1 billion money. Destroy the railway target with a vehicle price between 1 million to 1 billion money. And race challenges available after week 2 releases on April 9th.
which race challenges, I think it's, yeah, that's the new race challenges. They're gonna come out in the week 2. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I can barely breathe. So yeah, which I've already, and as I've already told you guys, I've got the convertible Mercedes, which I'm about to show you. I've also got A barrel wheel. A barrel wheels 3000. There it is. As you can see, this is pretty old, you know. And I'll show you guys the Mercedes, which is this one right there that I was talking about. And like, you know, why is it like? And you probably guys might be thinking, why is it matte black? Well, this is actually, I put it to neon. I've actually bought a neon Game Pass because, you know, neon colors Game Pass because, you know, it's very cool. So yeah, so let's start with the barrel wheels. And by the way, I have to, before I do that, I'll just show you guys the newly added. So here it is, the barrel wheels, and here's the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR, which is very cool. And here's the Mazda RX-7 VL Slide replica. And here's the ag rod. See, this is the ag rod, which is so freaking cool. I painted neon yellow and neon lime green, you know. And here's the Cadillac VTC Race Edition, or yeah, I think maybe. Oh well, it's CTS, I think. And here's the Fiat something, and here's a Mercedes. Oh wow, that's so. I never expected that to be that large. Oh, 466 miles per hour. Wow. And the 983 S300V explosive. So yeah, let's do a barrel wheels 3000 first. So yeah. And I did not notice that you could sit on it, which is so funny. All right, whoa. And by the way, you guys still remember my avatar changed, so yeah, that's why. And I don't think this vehicle is gonna get into 100 very easily because this thing is like, yeah, just what I thought. So, oh, my friend left. Okay, then, whatever. Uh-oh, I think I did it way too early. Ah. Bam! There we go. Jeez. Oh. Well then. That escalated quickly. Well, we cannot even test it on the giant ramp because, you know, this thing is super slow and it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it doing this challenge. So yeah. This is only 77 miles per hour. Very, very slow. And such a small vehicle. Like, wow. Oh my god, it just do cartwheeling. By the way, I just want to show you guys some more cars that I've got. So here it is, guys. So here is the Cadillac Mylar Meteor Futura. As you can see, I painted neon white with neon blue, which is very, very, very cool. So yeah, like, you know, this is like, it's so sick. I like this thing. This is like, it's very cool. And by the way, I just painted the interior. I did not realize that I painted the interior purple because I thought it was like blue. Like, you know, it's like the same color, the same blue color, but oh well. There we go. Now I fixed it. So yeah. Oh, close. Yo. God dang it. Oh, and it got stuck. Alright. Ring, 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 ring. Well. This is a long wheelbase car. Vehicle, I should say. It's fine. A car, it's fine like this. It's also very, it's still very cool. Yeah, there we go. Did it. Oh, jeez. The car gets crushed. Just like that. Yes. Yeah, the handling is a bit horrible. So, I don't think it'll make it over. Oh god. I don't think it'll make it in. But we will try to see if I can get a better handling. Because, you know, it's easier. which is not even working anymore. I don't know, maybe the handling of this thing. So, can't do that. We could do... Perfect. This is good. Oh, made it in. Like that. Okay. Well, not bad. Here. I think we could do that on here, I think. No. Hold on. No. No. Yeah, like maybe like this could do that. Could do the job. 128 miles per hour. Kind of slow car, but it's still cool. Oh, right then. Which maybe I should put it on this vehicle. So, yes, perfect. And here's the Hyundai IONIQ. So, yeah, it's very cool, very realistic looking vehicle, SUV. It's very like high. It's a high-end vehicle. So yeah. Oh. And by the way, I got the new Tier 4 vehicle, which I'm about to show you guys at the end of this video. So, yeah. Alright. Oh, easy. That was easy. That was so easy, bro. What the? It's stuck. What the heck? What the? I mean, look at that. It's really literally stuck for no reason at all. How is it that long? How is it that long enough to not fit? Ah, now it stopped. Well then, maybe he's trying to survive. Wait, I'm trying to move the camera a little bit. To make sure it's straightened. So yeah, it's a bit good. But no, that isn't it. Lighter on its wheels, very good. Okay. Oh, barely clipped it. Oof. Oh. Wow. So high. Gee, yes. There you go. That could have, yeah, you know, I think it could have been over. So yeah. Whoa. Dang it! 188 miles per hour. Okay. Not bad. Uh-oh. Not even gonna break out time. Not even gonna break out time. Oh, that was so close. I could have... That was almost a good save. If I could have braked in the split second, then this would have been so close. Okay, so there's the... Oh. It's a Culber. I think it is. I think it is. What? Culber is like... In real life is like... Real life name? I don't even know. Here we go. Mazda Atenza GR.3 road car. As you can see, I added the new Easter wing, and it's neon white, which is cool. And I painted lighter red, so yeah. Let's see. Oh, jeez, that was close. That could have been the first attempt. Car. Could have been the first car to make it to... First new car to make it to the first attempt, but no. Oh well then. Oh. Oh, that was close again. Oh, man. Oh, man. So not all the time. So not all the time. It's just sometimes. Sometimes I call it a wing. Sometimes I also call it a spoiler. But this is like the wing spoiler. Kind of same thing. But like, you know, whatever. Like a different word or whatever. So yeah. Oh, that could have been close.
Close.
What the heck? That was so freaking close.
That was so freaking close.
Could have been one once again. There we go, finally. Jeez, what a workout for this car. Oh, well that's pretty close. We'll just do it again. Don't ask why there's some noises, because my dad is in the kitchen, so yeah. Oh, that was close. It's a very close one. Maybe it's because the front bumper. Maybe the bumper of this thing is so low that it cannot even get over. Whoa, maybe I'm wrong. We'll see. Well, not the best, but still good. There we go. Okay, barely touched it, but it still made it. Oh, it could have been on top of the tree. If it could have been on top of the trees, then it would stick the landing. Get it? Very good handling. That could have been like, wow. It has enough chance to get to reach the top speed, 210. Jeez, didn't break on time. Well then, next, Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. I've also added the spoiler, this new spoiler, new Easter spoiler wing. And I did not even color this thing because I'm too lazy. Or maybe I'm not too lazy to color this thing. It's just because it's too lazy to color this vehicle, because, you know, just whatever. But this vehicle is not lazy at all. I wouldn't call this vehicle lazy, but the color, but if I paint it, it'll be a bit lazy. So yeah, we'll stick to this thing. And it'll be fine. Oh, that was close. Oh, that was so close. That could have been the one. It could have bounced up. Oh, another close one. For God's frick's sake. That could have been a one. Oh, come on. That could have been the freaking one. Come on. Yes, there we go, finally. Yes. There we go. Ah, God's sake. Oh, man. If a break, no big deal. Ah, that's It's almost. Hold on, guys. Hold on. We might be the one. This might be the one. This might be the one that could do it without any help or something like that. It won't even. It will not give up. This thing will not give up. That does not count as helping. So yeah, okay. Actually, no. This thing cannot even. There's no chance to do that. There's no chance. So he takes the helpful way. Jeez. Okay, there we go. Bam! Whoa! Avatar. Gray Avatar just it's like it just flies off the car. Oh my god. Oh, perfect landing. With that low gravity. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's a bit slower. I didn't realize. 175. Okay, then. So, and next, a Mazda RX-7 VL Slide replica, the Tokyo Drift car. So, yeah. This is, like, it's very cool. They should also add, like, in Update 72, maybe, like, the part 2 of the Update 71, maybe they should add a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. Maybe Tokyo Drift one or the initial D one, or just regular one, because, you know, because that would be so cool if there's like a Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 9 in this game. So yeah. Oh, another close one. Whoa. What the heck? Whoa. On its roof. What the heck? Oh, really? Oh god, I'm almost spending like an hour. It's been like 40 minutes. Oh my god. And I'm only like halfway there? Whoa. What? Oh, what the? What? Oh, man. Oh, it's stuck. Bruh, oh my god. Oh, I'm on the top of this thing. Okay, you know what? Well. For God's sake. Alright. Oh, that was close. Okay. Okay. Never give up, Mazda. You could do this. Never give up. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, really? What the heck, again? Same thing? Okay then. Yeah. Oh man, I almost every time with this RX-7, it just gets me every time, bro. This is. Oh my god, if this will not make it, then I've been spending like 46 minutes. Jeez. Really? There we go. We got a car that made by its own. There we go. Uh, 249, almost 200, almost exactly 250 miles per hour. But oh well. Okay, so this is one I haven't got. The Bugatti Type 32, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Look at this thing. It's so old, and it's also race class and a compact. I did not know that. Alright, next, Egg Rod. Yellow, neon yellow with neon green. Let's do this. Oh, this is a very funny car. Okay, let's do this again. Da, 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 da. What the? Didn't help at all? What the heck? Oh. Man. Okay then. Oh man. Well then. Oh. Well then. For God's sake. Bruh. Alright. Oh. 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 Stuck again. Ooh, there you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, oh well. Okay. Oh, that was close. That was very smooth. Oh, that went down very smooth. Alright. Oh, again? Same thing? Oh, there you go. Even that, you cannot even see any scratches on it because it's neon. Because it's neon, and you cannot even see the scratches of this car because it's neon, and you cannot even see it. Only the rims and the glass shatter. Now you can see it better. So yeah, oh my god, almost an hour. Jeez. 194 miles per hour. It cannot gain more speed. No. That wasn't very close, but that was still close. And here is the Ferrari Testarossa that I've got. So, yeah, as you can see, this thing looks, it's very realistic. Like, look at this thing. It's a very realistic car. And you probably guys might be thinking, why did I paint the Ferrari Testarossa blue? Well, you know, because it's actually a funny idea, but some people would say, like some people would say it's like a weird idea, but it's a funny idea. Because blue is actually better than red on this, not gonna lie. And also, it's also A-class, so yeah. Okay, and yeah, I hope it's if it's gonna make it to 100 in the first attempt. Nope. Well then. No. Oh no. That was That kind of sounded. What the? Oh, yes! Did it. On its own. Oh. Not bad at all. Okay, the handling isn't bad at all. Okay. Wow, so easy going over this thing. Wow. So easy. I think this one actually concludes the update 43 one, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And also, guys, can you barely see it closely? I don't know if you guys can see it closely, but like, hold on, guys. Let me show you guys something. If you guys can see it like closely, there's a little line there of the, like, you know, the square thing. And if you don't know what that is actually the pop-up headlights for this thing. So yeah, it makes sense. Hit the brakes, hit the brakes, hit the brakes, okay. I was holding the S, and well, that counts as braking. Let's get 2. So okay then. And like braking is shift, and that's also mean for drifting. So yeah, which is perfect. Okay, Roblox I and 714F8Q7J. I don't even know what that means, but oh well. 243. Okay, so it's not that fast than the Mazda, but it's still fast. No, it fell in the water, bruh. And only a scratch on the back side.
No, fell in the water, bro.
And by the way, this was not even here before. I swear, it wasn't even here before, but then it is, so it's kind of weird, but oh well. And I've also painted the Bugatti Veyron Super Sport a neon green. Like this, you know, the rims and the side of it, which is very cool. Which I wanted to make it look very cool. And here it is, the Mercedes SLR C109 D9. So yeah. And there, it's already been like an hour. Jeez. Surprised by that. Okay. And oh, almost first attempt. That could have been so perfect. Okay. Oh, close. Oh, now it's stuck. Oh man. Oh man. What? Alright, here we go. Let's see if I can... Oh my god. Oh my god, again. Every time. Same thing, every time. Once again. Oh, come on. Really? There we go. Whoa. Just bounced off. Avatar bounced off. Okay. 100. Okay. Why am I just reading the miles per hour? Okay. Oh my god. This thing is so freaking fast. I did not expect that to be that fast. Over it. Oh. Easy. I think. No, I can't risk it. I cannot risk it. I literally can't not risk this thing. Whoa, nice drift. And recorded it back, so yeah. So this thing reaches 281 miles per hour. That's actually faster than the Mazda RX-7. Fast and Furious edition, which is so freaking cool. Okay, well. Another not close one, but oh well. And last vehicle. The last new vehicle, I should say. This one. The explosive one. This is like similar to that, but it's small. It's similar to the ICBM transport nuke truck, but this thing is smaller. So yeah, and I'm not gonna even use it in the water slide and the giant ramp because this thing is so slow. Like for example, like 67 miles per hour. It's just too big and it's too slow. So yeah, that's only that. And I cannot forget to show you guys that. Oh, and I painted this thing neon orange, which is it's so cool. It's like a fiery orange, something like that. And I also just want to let you know, guys, that I finally got the IM 330 mobile compressor, finally, which is so freaking huge. Steel Tonka and Hayononki. Oh, okay. It's built by Modular Coolest. And by the way, guys, do you know that Modular Coolest actually quit Car Crushers 2? Then why did he make the P1000 Rate? Maybe. I think maybe. Look, see? I think maybe it's because he wasn't quitting Car Crushers 2. Or did he? Well, I don't know. But oh well. And as you can see, this is like a Car Crusher looking thing. You can activate Q and look. It acts up like a car crusher. Which is very cool. And it says heavyweight. The license plate says heavyweight, which is, it's true because it's heavy. And this thing is so wide to the road. Like for example, look. It cannot even fit on the road. Like wow. Like on the thin road, so yeah. And it's only one gear as well, so it's very slow. 75 miles per hour, and look, it cannot even fit. It can't fit, which is so funny. So yeah, I think that's all the vehicles. Well, maybe soon I'll try to get this vehicle, and I'll get this vehicle. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know, and yeah, I will see you guys soon of the part 2 Easter version. So yeah, peace.
Hush.